It's choppy out here. Choppy, choppy. Woo. Welcome to Live with Colonel Lee. I'm Colonel Lee. Today we were yak packing Lake Texoma, on the border of Texas and Oklahoma.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey, does it well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels feels like this. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't never looking back.
Mr. Allen. Setting up his kayak in the trees. Oh wait, that's his hammock. Tree yakking, yak treeing.
Yakking a yak earlier, now they're yakking the tree.
Speaking of yaks, they're way down there. So here's my Amok Norwegian hammock. Here's my little gear hammock from One Wind. I think somebody else in this camp has a Norwegian hammock. Let's go see. I think old Steve-O. Where is Steve-O?
Right here.
There he is.
Moving off a little bit.
There's old Steve-O. So he's got the Ultralight 5.0. Oh yeah. Cool, cool. Looks a lot lighter than one I have for sure. Oh wow. You got see-through material, mine don't have. Huh. Yeah, so your bug mesh goes under your ridge line.
Yep.
Mine goes over. Pretty cool. Oh, what a nice tree. Got all these little hanging things for you. Yeah. And then here's another hammock. This is where Mr. Swiss is going to camp. There he is over there.
What day is it?
I don't know.
Thanks, Steve, for getting the joke.
And then there he is, Mr. Swiss. So howdy.
Howdy.
There you go. Got to sound like a Texan. Hey, somebody's got their socks hanging already.
Yeah, that's our mine.
Oh, cool.
They were soaking wet.
And then Big Rob's around here somewhere. He's going to sleep in this tent. Let's see where old Rob is at. There he is. Howdy, Rob. Now that's a good chair to have.
That's pretty nice.
Comfortable
I wish
chair.
I had a little footrest.
Yeah.
Thinking about, you know, I could have strung something like from there to there underneath to rest my feet on.
Put your feet up on it. Yeah.
That'd be kind of nice.
Bring another set of straps.
Right, something.
Yeah. Because I always do the Indian style.
Oh, yeah?
And that kind of helps get your feet up. But like your ankles.
Right. This way?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do like that, like a butterfly.
Oh,
There.
yeah, I guess that.
It's all contorted in there.
I guess that's kind of comfortable.
Looks like you're ready to give birth. So this is our campsite here, nestled up in the trees, right up on a cliff here from the lake. All right, we got the little alcohol solo stove going. See what Jackson's gonna have tonight. What's he gonna have? Spicy grilled chicken curry, Alpine Air. And I'm gonna have my new favorite, Mexican style adobo rice and chicken, pinto beans, onions, cauliflower, zucchini, ancho chilies, and lime. Woohoo! Alan over there is cooking cheeseburgers. So I think he had some food airdropped in. I don't know how you pack food like that in a kayak, 90-degree weather. Very carefully, he says. It's pooping corn. Popcorn's pretty good. Jiffy Pop. Got a lot of popcorn over here if anybody wants some.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it.